So what are your manners?
Cowboy!
No, really, what are your manners?
Cowboy!
And what's your horse's name?
I'm a cowboy!
No, what's your miniature horse's name?
Cowboy!
No, remember Toby?
Remember?
Remember? No, remember Toby?
Yeah.
What other horse is there?
No.
Who's right here? Who's supposed to be right here?
Birds eat leaves.
Toby, Dixie, Patchy.
Toby, Dixie eat pat. Dixie eat some leaves.
Yeah, they eat some leaves. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye, everyone.
Bye.
Say you love them.
I love them.
You love you.